Okay, so this is the customer's key. We're going to be giving her a new key. All the buttons are on this one. But first, we gotta generate a remote for it. So we're just gonna hit that. And yep, it should be generating a remote. Alright, so now we got to give the car constant power. Try to maintain this 12 volts. And on a 2012 Chrysler 300, I'm gonna be programming some keys to it, or a key. So now basically we want to add this key, and let me see. As you can see, nothing works. So we'll go to high function, key learning guided 1, smart keys learning, start. Okay. No. Okay, it's 3 programmed. Yes. Hold the proximity key near the center console or start button, repeatedly press unlock. Okay. Oh, there we go. Learning successfully. You want to learn next key? Nope. Okay. So now we can escape this, turn the hazard lights off, and we should be able to start the vehicle up without putting the key to the push start button. Turn that off. All right, let's see if it starts. This is the new key. All right, it starts. All right. Make sure it locks. Unlock. Make sure the trunk works. Okay, we got a 2019 Buick Enclave, or Enclave, whatever. This is the original key. Yeah, stick it in the door. Line it up. There you go. Almost.
I hope it works.
There you go. Now turn it, see if it locks and unlocks. Yep, just twist it. Okay, there you go. And turn the other way. Up, other way, this way. Yep. It's tight. There you go. So now it's locked. So now we're gonna unlock it. You see that go up? See this little thing right here? Nope, look, right here. It's a look, this part right here. Watch this. Seen that?
Yes.
Alright. When it's up, that means it unlocked. When it's down. So this is the test key. Try it in the door. Well, emergency key. And it works. Alright, so we're in the 2019 Nissan Maximum. This is the key that the customer had programmed. It's not working. And then this is the, this one is working actually. and this is the one, original one, but you lost it and then found it again. So I'm gonna see if I can program it back in and see what happens. Function. Smart key learning. Okay, pin. Start that.
Everyone's fine. Lo levantones, 2 que 3 son leones.
Key registration complete. Okay, this one's working. this original, I mean the first one work, or this. Okay, that one works. And that one works too. Make sure the remote starts. Must be a different issue. Remote starts. So this is a new cut key. Buttons don't work yet, but see if it works in the door. Yep. See if it works in the ignition. Yep. Cloned it, so don't need the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit the unlock. Alright. So now should be programmed. Unlock, lock. Let's make sure this original key work.